Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore the art of networking. Whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, these tips will help you build and maintain a strong professional network, avoid common mistakes, and understand the importance of networking for your career. To build an effective professional network, start by attending networking events and conferences in your field. Here are a few ways to get started. First, attend events. Join professional associations and attend their events to meet people who share your interests. Second, use professional social networks. Create a complete LinkedIn profile and connect with colleagues, former classmates, and leaders in your industry. Third, take training courses and workshops. Sign up for classes and workshops to learn new skills and meet other professionals. Maintaining your network is just as crucial as building it. Here's how to do it. First, stay in touch. Regularly send follow-up messages and emails to maintain the connection. Second, offer your help. Be ready to support your contacts when they need it. Networking is a two-way street. Third, participate in informal meetings. Suggest coffee meetings to discuss current events in your field and strengthen personal bonds. To take full advantage of networking, avoid these common mistakes. First, don't monopolize the conversation. Listen carefully to others and show interest in what they have to say. Second, don't ask for help immediately. Build trust before making any requests. Third, don't neglect existing relationships. Continue to stay in touch with people you've already met. Networking is essential for your professional development. It can open doors to professional opportunities, allow you to benefit from sound advice, and provide you with lasting professional support. A strong network can make all the difference in your career path. You now have all the keys to excel in the art of networking. Good luck, everyone. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. See you soon.